01. Kottu Roti. Introduction. Hey guys, it's Aryan, and in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Kottu Roti, a popular Sri Lankan street food. Appearance. Describe the appearance of the Kottu Roti. For example, the dish is made up of chopped up pieces of roti bread, mixed with vegetables and meat, and served on a hot plate. The bright colors of the vegetables and the steam rising from the plate make it look very appetizing. Taste. Share your thoughts on the taste of the Kottu Roti. For example, the mix of spices and flavors in the dish is incredible. The roti bread is crispy and adds a great texture to the dish. The vegetables are cooked perfectly and the meat is tender and juicy. The whole dish is bursting with flavor. Texture. Talk about the texture of the Kottu Roti. For example, the chopped up pieces of roti bread create a unique texture that I haven't tasted before. It's crispy on the outside but still soft on the inside. The mix of vegetables and meat adds to the overall texture of the dish, making it very satisfying to eat. Overall impression. Share your overall thoughts on the Kottu Roti. For example, I absolutely love the Kottu Roti. It's a flavorful, filling and satisfying dish that I would definitely recommend trying. If you're a fan of spicy and flavorful food, you'll definitely enjoy this dish. Conclusion. Wrap up the video by thanking your viewers for watching and encouraging them to try Kottu Roti if they have the chance. You can also ask for feedback or suggestions for future videos. For example, thanks for watching guys. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Kottu Roti before and what you thought of it. And as always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more food reviews like this one. Here's a recipe for making Kottu Roti at home. Ingredients: 2 to 3 roti breads, 1 cup of chopped vegetables, carrots, cabbage, onions, leeks, etc. 1 cup of chopped meat, chicken, beef, or mutton. 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, chopped 1 tsb of ginger paste, 2-3 green chilies, chopped 1 tsb of turmeric powder, 1 tsb of chili powder, 1 tsb of curry powder, 1 tsb of cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, salt to taste, 2-3 tablespoons of oil. Instructions. Begin by heating the oil in a wok or large frying pan over medium heat. Add the chopped garlic, ginger paste, and green chilies to the pan and sauté for a minute or two, until fragrant. Add the chopped vegetables to the pan and stir fry for a few minutes until they are slightly softened. Add the chopped meat to the pan and continue to stir fry until it is cooked through. Break the roti breads into small pieces and add them to the pan. Use 2 spatulas to chop and mix the bread with the meat and vegetables, until everything is well combined. Add the turmeric powder, chili powder, curry powder, cumin powder, black pepper powder, and salt to the pan. Stir everything together until the spices are evenly distributed. Continue to stir and chop the mixture for a few more minutes until the roti breads are crispy and golden brown. Serve the Kottu Roti hot, garnished with some fresh herbs or chopped green onions. Enjoy your homemade Kottu Roti. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.